Hey, this is Joe with H4H Remodeling and Repairs. We're out here in Vacaville doing a video on a bathroom that's about 90% complete. Customer is actually using this. We did a full demo in this bathroom. We installed a deep soaker tub with 2 niches. The solid surface surround is the Remodel gold. We've also done some herringbone tile accents with gold finishes. They've chosen a 12 by 24 inch Calcutta floor tile. And right here used to be a dual vanities. The customer had no reason to have 2 sinks in here anymore. So we went with a 48 inch vanity with the 18 inch linen cabinet. We're still waiting on a mirror and a shower door. So if you need your kitchen or bathroom remodeled, give us a call. H4H Remodeling and Repairs.